welcome to WVP Star. My name is Kent, your W Insider here at W Koh Samui. Today I'm going to show you the best experience that you can ever get from W Hotel here in Koh Samui. So please follow me this way. Yes, and our villa is actually quite amazing in terms of you can have a huge size villa where you can watch the sunset and the sunrise from your balcony. And there's some villas that you can just walk from your room to the beach. And every villa here, we have a private swimming pool for you. So if you seek for romance and also something to do with your families, of course, this is probably the perfect place for you. W Hotels here, it's not like any other hotels because it's like you escape from the busy life in the city and find this amazing view where you can totally relax and also be fun at nighttime at our bar. That's where I'm going to take you next. restaurant, the concept is like dining in the birdcage. The natural light goes through that three circles over there, and the food that we serve is a variety of Thai selection and also Western. We also have the outdoor area where you can watch the sea, ocean changing the colors during the daytime. And the restaurant is turned out to be one of the most famous places that people get gathering together. And another outlet here at W Hotel, we're talking about Namu Restaurant, the Japanese restaurant where you can get the fresh seafood, variety of fish, imported and local. Japanese restaurant here, our chef can tailor-make the dish that you like, and also something that you will never see it in any other property, only at W Koh Samui. Last but not least, I would like to highlight our bars here, which is our signature bar, located on the W Lounge here, and the bar that you can see this amazing view. Another bar will be the sip bar, where we're aging our own rums, and also those rums are so special. We put it under Samui Sea, and the taste and the aroma is so amazing. So I really want everyone to come and try, like I experienced it here. So join me at W Hotel Koh Samui. Looking forward to see you all.